This is the week one video demonstration. I will be giving you these video demonstrations for the first 3 weeks or so that everybody gets the hang of what we're doing. After about the first 3 weeks, they kind of are unnecessary due to the fact that you guys kind of have the gist of what's going on. So the first thing here, what you want to do in week one is obviously go up and make sure you've read the syllabus, done the tutorial videos, and get as much as you can out of these information right up into here. As far as assignments in week one, the first one is the Remind app. And the Remind app is basically an application that allows us to basically text message each other without exchanging phone numbers. It also allows me to do one-time messages to the entire class, and you guys get reminders to your cell phone right away. So what you guys are going to do is type in this number right here. And again, do not look at this number and this code because this is from an old class about a year or two ago. You guys are going to type in this as the phone number, and this is going to be the body of the text message, the code right here. And within a few seconds, you're going to get a reply text message. When you get that reply text message, you are going to want to save that number in your contacts because that's going to be the number that pops up all the time when when I send messages to you. When you put your name in for the information, make sure you put the same name that you have inside of Chaffey College's system. Do not put any nicknames. Do not put, if your name is Rebecca, don't put Becky because it's very difficult for me to tell who you are when we use those different names. Okay. But the Remind app, pretty simple. You'll get some points for doing that. Syllabus quiz. There's a tutorial video up top that teaches you guys how to take quizzes. Make sure you look at that before you guys take the quiz itself. The syllabus quiz is the only quiz that you guys can take more than once. You can take it as many times as necessary until you get a perfect score. And you can see that the due date is going to be a little different because this is not the current quiz. This is an old class. The other thing about the syllabus quiz, it's the only requirement that you have to do to not be dropped from the class. Okay, so make sure you take that quiz on time so I don't have to drop you. I won't drop you right away. I'll probably send you an email or something seeing why you haven't done it, but let's try to get that done by Thursday. The next assignment is the Welcome to the Course Forum. And the first thing you'll notice when you open the Welcome to the Course Forum, there are a couple of banners across the top. The first one says the forum has a limit to one posting. I'm only asking one question, so I only want one answer. The reason I do this is that I don't want these forums to be conversational because I'm going to be grading all of your postings. And if people are commenting on each other's postings back and forth, it makes it very difficult for me to grade. So for that reason, if you guys have one question, you can only post one answer to one question. If you have three questions, you can post three answers to three questions. The second thing is it's a question and answer forum, so you must post your answer first before you can see what other students have replied. This is done to encourage independent thought. I don't want you guys to read other people's opinions on certain topics and basically agree with other students or get into arguments with other students. You guys will have the ability to go read what all the other students have posted after you have posted your own. Okay, so the Welcome to the Course forum right here basically tell us a little something about yourself, name, age, major, high school attended, etc. are some good starts, what you want to get out of the class. The way you're going to get graded on this is very important right here, 2 to 3 well-crafted sentences. I want effort. Okay, you're going to get graded on effort more than anything. There is no wrong answer to a forum question. There's only lack of effort. So if you're not getting the full points, you're not writing enough. Because this is my posting and I'm limited to one, I can't go any further. But you guys are going to click on reply, type in your answer to the question, and then you guys can post to the forum. Make sure when you click the post to forum button, you only single click on the document. If not, you may give multiple postings of the exact same one, and that'll mess with your limit. Okay, so the forums are pretty self-explanatory. Again, effort is your big deal. Here is your Living to 100 video assignment demonstration. You guys can look at that to get the gist of it. I'm also going to post a couple of tutorials up top on how to upload documents and how to turn in assignments. So stay tuned for all those. Okay. I will probably open up weeks 2, 3, and 4 by Wednesday of this week. You guys are encouraged to start working ahead as much as you want, but make sure you adhere to all the deadlines of the class.